Agents today have more options than they've ever had before. Different models, different companies, different value propositions. Because of that, they're making moves.
Chris is the current chief real estate officer at Ojo Labs, the former CEO of Keller Williams International. And people are just wondering, what do I do? Am I in the right place? Where should I go? And how am I going to sell more homes as it relates to my brokerage that's supporting me?
Agents today have more options than they've ever had before. There's a lot of agents that don't make moves that probably should. And there's probably some that do that probably shouldn't. So, the agents that probably should are the ones that really haven't picked their head up in a while to look around and see, hey, what is the best model for me? I'm going to spend 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week in this industry. And I'm going to align with a company. Is this company aligned with my goals? If it's not, then they should be looking at other options. The things that agents should be looking at is, first and foremost, does it support my goals? Is me being here going to give me an advantage in achieving those goals? And then looking at, and it's something you mentioned that agents don't think about very often, and that is, exit strategy or wealth building. A lot of times agents are, and understandably so, just focused on the next transaction. But as agents, we should be focused on also creating wealth for ourselves. Whether that comes in opportunities to invest, to buy or sell, or there's a lot of companies out there that now have programs that help you with multiple revenue streams. And for some agents, it'd be silly for them not to look at those options. From a technology standpoint, there's no shortage of technology offerings out there. We all can get everything we need to run our businesses. Now, if the company already has some of those things, or it costs me less money, then that's great. But as an agent, really what I care about is making sure the company doesn't get in my way, making sure the company gives me a tailwind, helps me achieve my goals. If they can do things, or if they have processes that either save me time or save me money, that's a huge plus. If they have anything that helps me meet more consumers or gives me better tools to meet consumers or to deepen the relationships I already have with the consumers in my database, then those are all things that I'd say, yeah, that's important to me. And if I'm not getting that where I'm at, then I need to look at other options. One of my old mentors used to joke, you don't have cash flow, you have cash spurts. Now, hopefully you have a lot of them, so it resembles cash flow, and you have a lot of them so that it builds up. But then, what are you doing to create other revenue streams? And there's a lot of companies out there. There's some, EXPs, the Fathoms, the Keller Williams to a lesser extent, where there are opportunities for other revenue streams. And those are things that I'm not saying every agent should work for one of those companies, but for some agents, having that opportunity, if they're going to take advantage of it and leverage it, can be a really valuable thing.
Where can realtors find you?
We have the happiest agents in our Ojo Select network, and they're happy because we're delivering a lot of value to them. If you are interested in either asking me any questions or want to learn how you can get more referrals, then you can direct message me on Facebook or LinkedIn. My email address is cheller, CHELLER, at ojolabs.com, OJOLABS.com.
And there's no fee to sign up?
No fee to sign up, just referral fees on the successful closings.